Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Tonight we are going to be going through each lash from the Gerard Cosmetics lash launch that launched on the 21st. So if you would like to see all the lashes and hear me talk about the lash glue, the lashes, my experience, then you know what to do. Just keep on watching. Welcome. My name is Belinda. I am a self-taught mature makeup artist here on YouTube. I like to do tutorials, unboxings, reviews, skincare. Sometimes I test out hair tools, tricks and hacks, things like that. So if that sounds like something that interests you, please hit that subscribe button and ring that bell to all. That way you don't miss a notification. Now, let's get into this video. So, like I said, Gerard Cosmetics launched 7 lashes. And actually, tonight I have on bottom lashes. And I have never been able to put on bottom lashes, at least singles. I've never been able to put singles on, but I actually got on the Vibe lashes on, and I also have on Bling Along. So those are 2 lashes that I have on. The night that I got the lashes, I was doing an unboxing with you guys, and I also needed to do eye shots for each lash for the website. So I thought I was going to be able to do both, but my eye was killing me by the time I got done. Not that there was anything wrong with the lash glue, it's just the taking off, putting back on, taking off, putting back on, taking off, putting back on, and then, you know, picture, make sure I got it right. I was exhausted. And so I wanted to come on here tonight and show you each pair of lashes. And please excuse loudmouth out there. He's got to let everyone know he's out in the yard. He would run into the door trying to get back in the house if someone come after him. Okay, so this is what's the tea. I'm gonna take these out so I can show them to you. Now, like I said, I have wore each pair. And you can get a better view of what they look like on the eye if you go to the website and click on each lash and see what they look like on my eye. I do have mature hooded eyes, so keep that in mind. Then Vibe, I have these on. This is Vibe. And then this is the Realness. These are a pair of lashes you can wear with glasses. Yes, shout it from the back of the room. We need more like this. You can wear these with your glasses on and they do not hit. I think they are gorgeous. They're probably one of my favorite pairs. I love these. And then the next pair is Give Me More, or Gimme More. I hope this don't fall off where I've already tried it on. So here's Gimme More. Those are really, really nice. All these are nice. I'm like shook. And I was more shook when Jen asked me to do the eye shots for the website. I was just like, me? Oh my God, yes! And these are Kiki. And it's hashtag Kiki. I think they did that for like Instagram, more or less. This is Kiki. Oh, she's so pretty. Oh, you dogs need a bath. But like I said, if you want a general shot of what they look like on the eye, just go and check it out on the website, Gerard Cosmetics. I will link it below. And guys, you can use my code and save 30% off of your lashes. I can't believe that. Usually on new launches, we don't get to use our codes, but on this one, we are. And this is Savage. I think it's a little hard to see them in the gold box. Those are pretty too. And then these are a little bit lower than, you know, down one size. And they don't have as many jewels on them. This is called Glow Up. I love those. I was gonna wear these tonight, but with my look, I thought, I'm going all in. The last pair is Work Bitch. This is the second bottom pair. You probably can't see those really good. So let me pull them out. And I need to work on trying to get these on. But aren't those just so nice? They're not like extravagant. I have never been able to put on singles. I just can't do it. I don't know if it's the thing going into my eye. They don't stick. I don't know. And then, let's don't forget this little baby. Now, I'm keeping mine turned upside down because with magnetic liners, I'm just going with what I know about magnetic liners. They tend to dry up if you don't keep them down. And I'm gonna do a swatch for you. That's not Gerard. So there is that. It dries down, not so fast that you can't get your lash on, and it is strong. When I got my first pair on and went to go move them around, I was like, what? Yeah, they stay in place. They're not going anywhere. So like I said, I hope you liked this quick little unboxing. I hope you will go and shop Gerard, because my eye is on there. I'm joking. But go shop Gerard. We have lashes and they're nice. Jen says that she has wore hers over and over and over again. So I feel like the way that they're made, they're going to last for a while. Go shop Gerard Cosmetics and pick you up a lash liner and a couple pairs of lashes. And especially if you are a glasses wearer, you need the realness. You have to get that pair. They're beautiful, and you will see me wearing them quite often, especially when I'm wearing my glasses. But that is the end of this video. If you liked it, please give it a big thumbs up. And guys, if you want to help the people that you like watching grow, here's a tip. Make sure you hit that like button. Make sure that you leave a comment, and make sure you share it. Share it to Facebook, share it to Twitter, share it to, just hit share and copy link. I mean, if you don't have anywhere to share it to, hit share and copy link. That is going to help so much. And if you are not subscribed, please make sure that you are subscribed to that person and that the bell is rang to all, so you don't miss an upload. That is the best advice I can give you as to helping support the people that you watch. So guys, that is the end of this video. If you liked it, give it a big thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed, please consider subscribing and ring that bell so you don't miss a beat. And I will see you in the next one. Stay blessed.